Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sundrit Hajra. Today I am going to show you how to convert any file to another file. So let's get started. So first, let's convert a MP4 file to MP3. So for that, we have to open Google Chrome. So now you have to search Cloud Convert. Now here we got the Cloud Convert at the first one. So let's open this. Now I am going to select a file. I am selecting one of my video and I am going to convert it to MP3. So let's convert. So here the link is going to be uploaded. At the same time we can add more files. I am selecting all of my videos here. I will convert all of them to MP3. Let's click on convert. This will take a while. So here one download is completed and now I can download it in my PC. So here it is downloading as an audio file and now I can listen to it also. Like this, by the same process, you can convert many files to any of them. So I am converting here to MP3. You can also convert to AVI or MP2 or more options are there for you. So this is a very nice website to convert your files, but you also have a limit. You can also only do 5 files at a time. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video and learn something new. Thanks for watching.